Hi, I'm going to show you how to use a floor polishing machine. You get a disc like this and a pad to go on the machine. The disc is like Velcro and the pad will stick to the disc. Some machines will have a clip to go on here as well, but not all of them do, as this just sticks to it anyway. Try and get the pad on as central as you can onto the disc. If it sticks out too much like this, one way or the other, you might find that makes it shake a bit when it's in use. So nice and central on there. Tilt the machine back, and this disc simply goes onto here and then twists into position. To remove it, twist it the other way and take it off. When the machine's in use, all the weight of the machine will be sitting on a spinning pad. So the key with these machines is to get the weight right so that it balances nice and flat on the pad. You can adjust the main handle with this lever here. Some machines will have a floppy lever this side. This would be for a water tank accessory. On this machine it doesn't have that. So if I lift the lever here, I can move the handle up and down to get it to a comfortable height. The ideal height would be standing with your arms straight, like so, and then the machine nice and flat and level with the floor. If you have the handle too high like this, you find that you're having to hold the machine up, and it might make your back ache after a while, or it might make your arms ache. So try and have it when you start with your arms nice and straight, just standing straight like so. Now when I start the machine, I want to try and get the machine as flat as possible. I'll press the button now and start the machine. So it's nice and flat on the floor. And if I now lift the handle, it goes off to the right. And when I lower the handle, it's going to go to the left. So you can operate the machine left and right by lifting and lowering the handle. Then back to the centre again, and then just keep it straight like so. If I let go of the handles, the machine stops. So if I was to turn it on, have this in the wrong position like so, turn it on, the machine might shoot off away from me, but if I just let go of these handles, then the machine will stop. I don't need to try and fight it. So I'll give you an example. If I turn it on here, it's off over there, let go of the handles, and it stops. Once you get the hang of it, it actually becomes quite simple. Like just with one hand, just let the machine float around, very little effort, and once you get the hang of it, it's actually really easy to do. When you store the machine, it's very important that you take the pad off. If you leave the pad on the machine, then the machine will squash one side or the other side of the pad, and then when you're using the machine, because it's got a flat spot, that will shake like so, and you'll find the machine will shake when it's in use. So if you take the pad off after each use, you have a nice flat pad and you'll have a nice smooth running machine. And that's how you use a floor polisher.